everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are gonna make a remedy, and this remedy is for varicose veins. Now, what is varicose veins?
Varicose veins are usually bulging, bluish cord running just beneath the surface of the skin. They almost always affect legs and feet. Visible swollen and twisted veins, sometimes surrounded by patch of flooded capillaries known as spider veins. Although they can be painful and disfigured, they are usually harmless. Varicose veins are a relatively common condition, and for many people they are family trait. Women are at least twice more likely to get varicose veins, and in the US alone, they affect about 23% of adults, including myself. Now, the likelihood of varicose veins also increase as veins weaken with age. And that's what I noticed, that mine just came up recently, and I was just thinking it's because I have been sitting a lot, but now I know that this also comes with age, and sometimes even genetics play a role in you having varicose veins. There are a greater chance you will too. Contrary to popular belief, sitting with crossed leg will not cause varicose veins, although it can aggravate an existing condition. So those are some of the things you need to know.
And now that that is out of the way, let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up.
And now my first ingredient is going to be coffee. And here I have some coffee beans, and you might be wondering, how does coffee works on varicose veins? Coffee, when applied topically to the skin, will help to boost a circulation. You apply the coffee in circular motion, and this is going to help to temporarily reduce the bulging, the swelling on the veins. So what I'm going to do, I am going to brew the coffee, and here I have some freshly brewed coffee, and what we're going to do with this, we are going to put it aside to cool. And now let's move on to my next ingredient. You're going to need a small jar and a small bowl for this recipe. So now let's reach for my next ingredient, and I'm going to be using some pink aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel is great for the skin topically, contain antibacterial and also anti-inflammatory properties. However, it makes a great moisturizer for the varicose veins, and when mixed with the caffeine, it creates a powerful remedy for shrinking those bulging veins. If you do not have the pink aloe vera, go ahead and use your regular green aloe vera gel, and you can find these on my website ALESMAXii.com. So I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. And that's one, and let's go back for another one. If you're using any other type of aloe vera gel, go ahead and use the same amount. And now I'm just going to wake the aloe vera gel up by mixing well. Aloe vera gel helps to smooth and cool the skin. Next, I'm going to reach for some papaya oil. And papaya oil helps to boost a circulation in the skin. It is great for the varicose veins. It also contains an enzyme that, when applied topically on the skin, will help to boost a circulation. So I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the papaya seed oil. Pouring this in the mixture. And now we're going to move on to my next oil, which is a carrier oil, and this is a grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil helps to hydrate the skin. When mixed with the other ingredients, it helps to boost circulation in the skin, helping to shrink those varicose veins. So I'm also going to use 1 tablespoon of the grapeseed oil. If you have another carrier oil, such as coconut oil, you can choose to use it instead of the grapeseed oil, or even a little olive oil will substitute the grapeseed oil. So now here in my bowl, I have pink aloe, I have some papaya oil, and some grapeseed oil. And now I'm going to mix all 3 together, totally blend and blend well. And this is going to take you a couple of minutes, probably about 3 to 4 minutes, to fully blend the aloe vera and the oils together. Now, my next ingredient is going to be some vitamin E oil, and I'm going to use a few drops of the vitamin E oil. Help to nourish and protect the skin. 1 to 2 drops of vitamin E oil, and now we are going to blend, and we are going to blend well. Now, once this is done, I am going to reach back for my freshly brewed coffee, and I'm going to slowly pour it in this mixture. So I'm going to start out by pouring just a little at a time, and then I'm going to be mixing. Now, there are many people out there that confuse varicose veins for spider veins. Some people don't even know the difference. Now, the spider veins are more like web-like, while the varicose veins is raised. So I'm going to reach back in, and I'm going to pour another tablespoon of the coffee in the mixture, and we're going to mix well. And take a look, as you can see it all coming together. Now, you might be wondering, can I use fresh aloe vera for this recipe? And the answer to that is yes. Extract the aloe vera gel, blend it, and mix it with the other ingredients that I have here. So once this is done blending, nice and creamy, we are going to pour this in my storage jar. Make sure your jar is totally sterilized. So let me go ahead and pour this in. When you get this mixture at home, I encourage you to use it every day on the varicose veins. Every day that you take your shower, you just take a little bit and massage it anywhere that you have the varicose veins. Remember, however, if you have severe varicose veins, then definitely seek professional advice on how to get rid of it. But if you have just minor varicose veins, this will do the trick with continuous use. So let me pour, and now take a look. Here is your remedy. Keep this in the refrigerator, or you can keep it on the countertop for up to 7 days and use it to massage your varicose veins. Just a few drops, 2 to 3 drops, depending if the area is small. But if you have a large area, then go ahead and use more by massaging in circular motion. Can you really get rid of varicose veins? Yes, you can choose to get them professionally removed, or you can try exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy weight, and also avoid tight clothing. High heel shoes also will cause those varicose veins. So move around. And another thing some might not like to hear is to quit smoking. Little changes that you can do for yourself to get rid of the varicose veins. And another thing that you can do is to massage with this remedy that I am sharing with you today. Now, the good thing about having this is a constant reminder that you need to massage your legs, not only the upper legs but also the lower legs. Massaging your legs on a regular will help to boost a circulation. So there you have it, my quick and easy DIY varicose veins remedy.
And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if you're interested in the aloe vera gel that we use in this recipe and the oils, visit my website, ALESMAXii.com, home of the Khichi Beauty skincare products. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.